Alright, since we bought this fridge, realized that it's making a strange noise, and it's even waking us up at night sometimes. And so I opened here to take a look about what this vibration sound is, and I just realized that the condenser here, this black part of the fridge, there is a small tube, this blue tube, and as you can see, it's touching the condenser here. So if I move this just a little bit to make this blue thing don't touch the condenser, it stops the noise, like this. And if I put the blue there again, it starts making noise again. That's the problem of the fridge.